How to sort alphabetically on Google Docs. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to sort alphabetically on Google Docs. Firstly, open your Google Docs and input some names for sorting alphabetically. Now, select all the data. Navigate to the Edit button and choose the Copy option. Next, open Google Sheets. Click on Edit and select Paste. With the data pasted, go to the Data menu and choose either Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A, representing ascending to descending or descending to ascending order. For this example, let's choose ascending order. Congratulations, the data is now sorted alphabetically. To complete the process, select all the sorted data, click on Edit again, choose Copy and switch back to Google Docs. Once in Google Docs, click on Edit and select Paste. This demonstrates how you can easily sort data alphabetically in Google Docs and transfer the sorted information between Google Docs and Google Sheets. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.